A serene garden with bonsai trees and blooming adeniums. Are you drawn to the elegance of bonsai trees or the vibrant beauty of adeniums? Both are stunning plants with unique charms, but which one is the perfect match for your home and gardening style? In this video, we'll help you decide. Let's start with bonsai. Originating from ancient China and Japan, bonsai is more than just a plant. It's an art form. Every twist of a branch and every trimmed leaf reflects patience and creativity. From the towering juniper to the delicate maple, bonsai trees come in various styles, each requiring meticulous care and regular pruning to maintain their miniature, sculpted beauty. Now, meet the adenium, often called the desert rose. Known for its swollen base or caudex and its colorful trumpet-shaped flowers, adeniums are a showstopper in any garden. Unlike bonsai, adeniums are relatively low maintenance. They thrive in sunny spots, need less pruning, and reward you with a burst of color almost year-round. So, how do bonsai and adenium compare? Bonsai trees captivate with their intricate designs and timeless appeal, but they demand dedication and precision. Adeniums, on the other hand, offer bold beauty with minimal effort, making them ideal for gardeners who prefer a laid-back approach. Each has its challenges and rewards, from the artful shaping of bonsai to the easy care allure of adenium. Still undecided? Here's a quick checklist. Do you have time and patience for regular pruning? Bonsai might be your match. Prefer a splash of color with minimal upkeep? Adenium is the way to go. Limited space? Both plants can thrive in small areas, but bonsai offers more variety in compact forms. Whether you choose the timeless elegance of bonsai or the vibrant charm of adenium, both plants can bring joy and beauty to your space. Which one speaks to you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for SL Agri Tips YouTube channel, more gardening inspiration.